Welcome back to Car Drive Next, where today we dive into one of the most talked about electric SUVs of the new model year, the 2026 Denza N9. This vehicle is a statement piece, and it comes with the kind of futuristic design and forward-thinking technology that really showcases where the EV market is headed. Denza, for those who don't already know, is a premium sub-brand created through the collaboration between BYD and Mercedes-Benz, blending the innovation of one of the most advanced EV makers in the world with the luxury touch of a brand that has been defining comfort for decades. The N9 is the company's newest flagship SUV, positioned above the N7 and designed to push boundaries in terms of design, practicality, luxury, and of course performance. So let's break it all down and see if this SUV deserves the hype it's getting. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design, which is bold, modern, and unapologetically premium. The front of the Denza N9 is dominated by wide, expressive grille-less fascia, because as an electric SUV, it doesn't require the traditional air intake that gasoline engines need. Instead, you get a sleek, aerodynamic surface with a light bar running across the top, giving it a futuristic identity that you can recognize instantly. The headlights are sharp and high-tech, built with matrix LED technology and a dynamic startup sequence that makes the car feel alive every time you approach it. The hood is sculpted with subtle character lines that emphasize strength and presence, while the bumper integrates active aerodynamic elements that can open or close to enhance efficiency. From the front, the Denza N9 communicates luxury with restraint, not over-designed, but not shy either. It's striking in a very premium way. From the side profile, the SUV reveals its true dimensions. The N9 is large, with a long wheelbase that emphasizes passenger space inside, but the design manages to keep it looking balanced and elegant rather than bulky. A sloping roofline adds a hint of sportiness, and the flush door handles maintain aerodynamic efficiency while keeping the lines clean. You'll also notice the strong shoulder line that runs across the side, giving the car an athletic stance. Large alloy wheels are offered in 21 and 22-inch options to add to the premium feel and fill the arches nicely. The side mirrors are slim, aerodynamically sculpted, and integrate cameras for the SUV's 360-degree vision system. Chrome details are tastefully applied around the window line and lower sill, but they never overpower the design, maintaining that balance between luxury and modern simplicity. Moving to the rear, the N9 finishes strong with a wide, planted look. The taillights are connected by a full-width light bar, another signature of modern EV design, and they light up in a dynamic pattern that matches the front. The rear window is raked at a sporty angle but still maintains practicality with decent visibility. A subtle roof spoiler adds a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The bumper is clean, with a diffuser-inspired design element at the bottom, hinting at performance while remaining sophisticated. There are no fake exhaust tips here, no unnecessary clutch, just clean, futuristic design that fits the premium positioning of the car. Inside the N9 is where the magic really happens. Denza and BYD have put enormous focus on making this cabin not only futuristic but also comfortable, intuitive, and luxurious. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a massive central display, a 17-inch rotating touchscreen that can switch between portrait and landscape modes depending on your preference or application. It runs BYD's latest D-Link system, which supports 5G connectivity, streaming services, video conferencing, and advanced navigation with augmented reality overlays. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find a fully digital driver's display, sharp and responsive, showing customizable information from speed to battery status to navigation prompts. But the real luxury comes from the details. The interior materials are top-notch, with options for Nappa leather, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, customizable with over 60 colors, and it's synchronized with the vehicle's sound system and drive modes for a complete sensory experience. The seats are designed for long journeys, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. And speaking of the rear, the N9 is available in both 6-seat and 7-seat configurations, with captain chairs in the second row for the 6-seat version. These second-row seats rival what you'd find in luxury sedans, with power adjustment, leg rests, and even small fold-out tables and higher trims. Technology doesn't stop at screens and seats. The N9 comes with a premium audio system developed in partnership with Denza's high-end acoustic team, offering a surround sound experience that turns the cabin into a concert hall. There's also advanced voice control, capable of recognizing natural language commands not just for navigation and media, but also for adjusting the climate, controlling windows, or even reclining the seats. Passengers in the rear can also control their environment through dedicated screens and controls, making the N9 not just a driver's car, but a true family and executive vehicle. Performance is where things get even more interesting. The Denza N9 is offered with multiple powertrain options, including single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive versions. The flagship model uses a dual-motor setup with over 600 horsepower combined, delivering 0 to 100 km per hour in around 4 seconds, which is extremely quick for such a large SUV. Thanks to BYD's Blade battery technology, the N9 also boasts impressive efficiency and safety. The top battery pack option offers a range of around 650 km on the CLTC cycle, which translates to roughly 500 to 550 km in real-world driving depending on conditions. Fast charging capability allows you to go from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes with high-speed DC chargers. The driving experience is engineered for comfort and confidence. The N9 features an advanced air suspension system with continuous damping control, meaning it can adapt to road conditions in real time, keeping the ride smooth even over rough surfaces while tightening up in corners to reduce body roll. Steering is precise and responsive, making the large SUV feel smaller and more agile than its size would suggest. Noise insulation has also been prioritized, with acoustic glass and sound-deadening materials creating a whisper-quiet cabin, even at highway speeds. Safety is of course a major focus, and Denza equips the N9 with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, and even advanced self-parking capabilities. The N9 is also preparing for higher levels of autonomous driving with a sensor suite that includes lidar, radar, and high-definition cameras, paving the way for future software updates that could unlock more automated driving features. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where Denza really aims to disrupt the luxury SUV market. In China, the N9 is expected to start at around 400,000 yuan, which translates to roughly $55,000 to $60,000 depending on exchange rates. Higher trims with all-wheel drive, larger battery packs, and luxury features will climb toward the $70,000 to $80,000 mark. When you compare that to European or American luxury electric SUVs with similar features, the Denza N9 comes across as a serious value proposition. Vehicles like the BMW X, Mercedes EQS SUV, and Tesla Model X all command significantly higher prices while offering comparable or even fewer features in some cases. The N9 undercuts them without feeling cheap, making it a compelling option for buyers looking for a flagship electric SUV without breaking into six-figure territory. In conclusion, the 2026 Denza N9 is more than just another new electric SUV. It's a symbol of how far the EV industry has come, especially in China, where brands like Denza are now setting global benchmarks for design, technology, luxury, and performance. With its striking exterior, futuristic and comfortable interior, powerful and efficient drivetrain, and competitive pricing, the N9 is positioned as one of the most attractive electric SUVs you can buy in 2026. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a luxury seeker, or someone looking for a practical family vehicle that doesn't compromise on style, the Denza N9 deserves a serious look. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Denza N9. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more reviews of the latest and greatest cars from around the world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Car Drive Next, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Denza N9. Do you think it has what it takes to challenge established luxury brands, or will buyers still lean toward traditional names? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.